Hello, my name is Brian Ebenhauer, and I am the Global Leader for Sourcing and Procurement at Deloitte Consulting. On behalf of our global team that is located in more than 30 countries around the world and who have been recognized as leaders in supply chain risk and next-generation sourcing strategy consulting, amongst other accolades, I'm excited to welcome you to our 6th annual Global Chief Procurement Officer Survey. Our 2017 survey had the largest participation to date, with 480 procurement leaders from 36 countries with combined revenues of over $4.9 trillion. This result gives us an unprecedented insight into the challenges and the priorities for procurement leaders moving forward. As always, this report covers the state of play on key themes and challenges facing the procurement function, including market dynamics, value and collaboration, digital procurement, and in this year, a focus on talent. The market dynamics of 2016 have ushered in a new period of geopolitical uncertainty, bringing with it an increase in perceived business risk levels. Last year's survey marked a return to cost control. This will continue to be a key driver for most procurement leaders in 2017, along with a renewed focus on risk management. It is also important to note, procurement leaders have successfully delivered on the cost mandate highlighted in last year's survey, with 58% delivering better savings performance than the prior year. As I reviewed and reflected on the survey results, a number of key themes emerged. Procurement leaders continue to have strong support from the business, but procurement is aiming to improve their business partnering effectiveness while at the same time increasing their level of supplier engagement and collaboration. Both will have to improve to deliver not just short-term cost goals, but also long-term value creation and sustainability risk management. Procurement leaders also still don't believe that they have the talent to deliver their overall procurement strategy, with many still using traditional approaches to build capacity and capability, especially in leadership and new digital and analytical capabilities. For many, digital procurement is the imperative to achieve step function change within their enterprise. Procurement leaders are focusing on substantial renewal and modernization of core procurement technology and investments in new digital and analytical solutions. My colleague Lance will provide more insights and specific calls to action in another video later in the survey report. From a regional perspective, global uncertainty is magnified within countries from weakness and volatility in emerging markets and rising geopolitical risk to the possibility of a renewed euro crisis and the effects of a China slowdown. We are seeing these dynamics impact the regions in similar but slightly different ways. All of the regions are focused on cost as their number one priority and are delivering more savings than last year in over 55% of the cases, except in South America, where there is also a greater focus on new product development. There is also a consistent lack of procurement talent across all regions to achieve procurement's vision and strategy, with the greatest lack for 66% of respondents from Asia Pacific. This will only be compounded in Asia Pacific by lower levels of engagement in the overall digital agenda compared to the Americas, where the digital agenda for procurement is quite significant. Lastly, all regions see the focus on analytics and the renewal of core technology as being their top 2 digital priorities. So in closing, I hope you find this year's Global Chief Procurement Officer Survey to be a valuable tool as you continue to advance your procurement agenda within your enterprise in 2017 and beyond.